Umndeni wakaNkambule nowakambukazi ubhale ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana ukuthi akasekho uZanele Mbukazi Nkambule, i-founder ye-Crown Gospel Music Awards and Ukhozi FM radio personality. Kuthiwa-ke usishiye ey'khathini zasekuseni ngomhla ka-12 August 2024 eParklands Hospital. Kuthiwa uZanele Mbukazi was diagnosed with lung cancer, kodwa umndeni wakhe uthi okwamanje usacela i-privacy kulesikhathi esinzima abadlula kuso.
Now, what a very horrible way to kick off the new week with the passing of Umamu Zanele Mbukazi. Her family issued a statement on a social media account announcing that she passed away in the early hours of this morning at the Parklands Hospital in KwaZulu-Natal. Now, you'd recall that Umamu Zanele Mbukazi had been hospitalized earlier this year. She was diagnosed with lung cancer, and a lot of people have been praying for her. We've seen Kuma social media platforms that Abantu they used to host a prayer session for Umamu Zanele Mbukazi, and we're hopeful that she was going to recover, but yeah, she has sadly passed away. Her family issued a statement across the social media accounts announcing the sad news. Now, Umamu Zanele Mbukazi was a force to be reckoned with in the music space. She was the founder of the Crown Gospel Music Awards, where she used to celebrate upcoming musicians and musicians in the country. She used to celebrate them through giving them awards, giving them recognition, and it was such a great initiative. And she'll be remembered for her unwavering love and passion and uplifting impilo zabanye abantu. She was someone who was big on prayer. She would pray for a lot of people. She just wanted everyone to have a better life. So we'll remember her for that. And it's such a very sad loss for the music industry, for the entertainment industry, and for the Christian community. And yeah, it's very sad to process her passing. And also we're still mourning the passing of Umamu Khoni Chume, who sadly passed away last week. May their souls rest in peace. It's such a very big loss for the culture, for the music industry, and for the entertainment industry.